day as a surprise, and this one's called Marry Me, so I hope you guys enjoy. I found the one to hold me down, to be my lady, to wear the crown. I found the one to make me whole again, to make me whole again. A special one, when she's around, she keeps me grounded, she makes me smile. Baby, that special one is you. Down on my knee, I'm asking you, marry me. Don't be afraid, follow your dreams. Will you marry me? Let me be who fulfills all your needs. Marry me, don't be afraid, follow your dreams. Will you marry me? Will you be mine till the end of time? I found the one to make me proud, to give me children without a doubt. I found the one to make me whole again, to make me whole again. That special one, when she's around, she keeps me sober, above the crowd. Baby, that special one is you. Down on my knee, I'm asking you, marry me. Don't be afraid, follow your dreams. Will you marry me? Let me be who fulfills all your needs. Marry me, don't be afraid, follow your dreams. Will you marry me? Will you be mine till the end of time? She said yes, she said yes. So let me give you a little inside story about that song. So I was in Canada. I was in Montreal with my son. We were spending time because it was his birthday, around his birthday in September 28th. And so I was like, you know what? I found the one. You know, and that's how it started. That's how the song started. And he was like, "What do you mean?" I was like, "I'm gonna marry Vanessa." He was like, "What? Whoa!" I said, "Now I want to write a song to her." He was like, "Yeah, man, you should write a song." You know, he's always excited when I'm starting writing songs. And I was like, "Okay, let's start." So I just grabbed my guitar and started just like strumming some chords. And 30 seconds later, I found it out tonight. And so I was like, "Yo, Dad!" He was like, "Yo, she can't say no." It's an inside joke. I always, tell people when I sing this song, but it's fun. Thank you, baby, for everything. Remember, I love you.